Achieving an Equal Future in a COVID-19 World. The theme celebrates the tremendous efforts by women and girls around the world in shaping a more equal future and recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic. Women leaders and women organizations have demonstrated their skills, knowledge, and networks to effectively lead in COVID-19 response and recovery efforts. Today, there is more acceptance than ever before that women bring different experiences, perspectives, and skills to the table. Thank you.
Why do we celebrate Women's Day on 13th February? India celebrates Sarojini Naidu's birthday as National Women's Day of India every year on February 13th. Born on February 13th, 1879, she actively participated in the Indian national movement for independence of the country. She was famous for her nickname Nightingale of India because of her poems. She was not only a freedom fighter but also the first woman governor of the United Provinces, the present Uttar Pradesh.
Why are women important? Throughout history, the central role of women in society has ensured the stability, progress, and long-term development of nations. Globally, women comprise 43% of the world's agricultural labor force, rising to 70% in some countries. For instance, across Africa, 80% of the agricultural production comes from small farmers, most of whom are rural women. It's widely accepted that agriculture can be the engine growth and poverty reduction in developing nations. Women, notably mothers, play the largest role in decision making about family meal planning and diet. And women self-report preserving child health and nutrition.
International Women's Day is celebrated in many countries around the world. It is a day when women are recognized for their achievement, irrespective of their national, ethnic, linguistic, cultural, economic, or political background. Since those early years, International Women's Day has assumed a new global dimension for women in developed and developing countries alike.
Be Bold for Change, which encourages men and women to take groundbreaking steps for gender equality. Join a march. The strike encourages women to join a march for an end to gender violence, both domestic and institutional, labor rights, and equal pay for equal work. Promote gender diversity at workplace, and attend a women's networking event.
Beautiful woman, come out and play. Reveal your inner treasures. The sparkle in your eyes, the natural swing in your walk. You radiate excitement and enthusiasm. You need no latest fashions, no expensive haircuts, no blinding big accessories. You glow in your passions, passionate in your pursuits. You know what you are made of. You are not easily bothered by the mindless opinions of others. You know where you want to go. You are a joy to watch and inspiration to others. Your pure soul is an endless marvel. Beautiful woman, let your brilliance shine through. Your eyes speak of your true inner beauty. Thank you.
Dear woman, sometimes you just be too much woman, too smart, too beautiful, too strong. much of something that makes a man feel like less of a man, which will start making you feel like you have to be less of a woman. The biggest mistake you can make is removing jewels from your crown to make it easier for a man to carry. When this happens, I need you to understand. You do not need a smaller crown, you need a man with bigger hands. She is a beautiful woman, but there are beautiful women everywhere. Nevertheless, women are like art. You can see many beautiful, but only a few that will speak to my heart.
ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आजा रे। ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आजा रे। अंधियारा है घना और लहू से सना, किरणों के तिनके अंबर से चुन के अंगना में फिर आजा रे। हमने तुझ पे हजारों सितम है किए, हमने तुझ पे जहां भर के जुल्म किए। हमने सोचा नहीं कि जो तू उड़ जाएगी, ये ज़मीं तेरे बिन सुनी रह जाएगी। किसके दम पे सजेगा मेरा अंगना। ओरी चिड़ैया मेरी चिड़ैया अंगना में फिर आजा रे।
My name is Arjun. Today me and my friends are going to show you and tell you about Women's Day. There are a few posters that we have made for Women's Day, and this is one of them. Women are always beautiful. Women are as strong as men. Every mother is a working mother. Break the silence on men's violence. Hope your day is as sweet as you are. Stand up for the woman. It is Women's Day. Thank you.
My name is Chandra Saket. Today I'm going to tell a slogan on Women's Day. Woman has the most unique character like salt. Her presence is never remembered, but her absence makes all the things taste less.
My name is Arav. Today I am going to share some thoughts on Women's Day. We celebrate National Women's Day every year on 13th February. Honor, love, respect women. Women are the real architects of our society. Women are as strong as men. A queen is not afraid to fail. Behind every successful man is a woman. Women are always beautiful. Thank you.
The willingness to listen, the patience to understand, the strength to support, the heart to care and just to be there. That is the beauty of a lady. When women progress, we all progress. Happy Women's Day. Thank you.
My name is Redisham. I wish all the teachers happy National Women's Day. Empower women, empower humanity. Thank you.
My name is Jessica and I am from grade 4B. A beautiful woman draws strength from troubles, smile during distress, and grow stronger with hopes and prayers. You are one of them. Wish you a very happy Women's Day. Thank you.
All women and all girls deserve a life free from violence and discrimination. We hope this year is filled with much happiness and success for each and every one of you, and look forward to your ongoing contributions and achievements that help make this world a better place for all women. Thank you.